Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac CTS Sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in this CTS and expectations are exceeded. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, UltraView Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, rear-wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.